system, judiciary system. This corona all over the world, inside our soul. Them blow and see they pay me. Daddy waiting for a long time. I don't tire. You no get conscience. Use your brain. Oh. You dey play with me. Oh. Yeah. I tell you once, I no go tell you again. Person will get to hear, make you hear what I say. Waiting go happen if not only you reach. The city need you cannot leave them like this. Share this money, make it reach us. Every single person, even not the richest. You buy yourself some Lamborghini, but you no get road. Person buy fan when you no get lights. Me I buy garri, but I no get soup. Waiting go come they happen when I dey console. Cause it dey in us, it dey sweet you. We dey cry, oh, we dey see you. We know be the kamuku when you think, yes, so give us our share. BSC for road, still dey hustle 1K.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another beats making episode. It's your boy SD Music back again with another beats making tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this Egypt 80 type of beats in FL Studio.
Political system, judicial system.
First, let's take a preview of the beats. Then we'll be right back to see what's in the details. Let's go.
SD Music.
In today's beat, we are using 9 patterns only, just a brief one. And on pattern 1, we have the melody instrument played through Morphine VST. It goes like this. Cool. On pattern 2, we have the Shekere instruments, something that goes through the track. Also, I'm playing these Shekere instruments using this FPC, and I have the following instruments stacked up on it.
SD Music.
So basically, all our percussion instruments are going to be played through here. Cool. On pattern 3, we have the chord instruments played through piano stage VST. Sound like this. On pattern 4, we have the bass instrument played through Nexus VST. On pattern 5, we have the drum roll played through FPC. Then on pattern 6, we have the kick and the percussion instruments also being played through FPC. Cool. On pattern 7, we have the trumpet instrument played through high VST. On pattern 8, we have the bassline instruments played through Toxic Biohazard. Pattern 9, we have this alternate melody that was played at one point to give it more alteration, just some action. Sounds like this. So putting it all together, that's everything put together in the playlist. So let's just take a little preview at the verse 2, maybe some part of the freestyle, some more, and round up for today. Let's go.
Many villages all over Nigeria. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. True story. Good people. Waiting they share political system, judiciary system, this corona all over the world, inside our soul, them no ones, waiting they happen.
Alright guys, that's one way of doing it. That's one way of creating an Egypt 80 type of beat in FL Studio. Don't forget to love the video, give the video a thumbs up and share with your friends and knit it. Till I see you next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and peace.
This corona all over the world, inside our soul, them blow us.
SD
Them
Music.
see the money, 50 station.